Hello everyone. As the steel industry moves toward a greener and more energy efficient future, technology and collaboration will play a defining role in shaping tomorrow's manufacturing landscape. At NORD Drivesystems, we are committed to enabling sustainable industrial growth through intelligent and energy efficient drive solutions. With our high efficiency geared motors, industrial max drive units, and advanced frequency inverters, we help the steel plants to achieve higher reliability, reduced energy consumption, lower maintenance, and optimized operational performance, even under the most demanding conditions. Our modular drive technology is designed to deliver durability, precision, and long service life, supporting industries in their journey towards reduced carbon emissions and improved productivity. Myself, Amit Deokule, Sales Director, is delighted to invite you for VDMA Green Steel Symposium, a platform where innovation, sustainability, and industrial transformation come together. Please join us on 20th May at Bhubaneswar. See you there. Thank you.